do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good. So have you had okonomiyaki before?
Only at Japan Fest because it's really hard to find around here.
The lines are long, so I sent my 2 friends online, so we're waiting, and I'm willing to try everything. This is very exciting.
Yeah, and it's delicious. And the crunch too of the veggies, great.
I think. I don't know how to pronounce it right.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh,
Yeah,
excellent.
okonomiyaki.
Yes.
So you get it from this Osaka ya.
Yeah, so this one, and then there's another one down there, and I go to both.
You
but-
do?
But
So,
I look forward to it every year.
oh wow.
Yeah.
So have you had okonomiyaki before?
Only at Japan Fest, because it's really hard to find around here. And so I always look for the dates, because they always have it here. And so this is like the first thing I always come in the morning. By like 11 o'clock, I'm here for this.
Oh, cool. So have you been to Japan before?
No, I wish. It's on the list.
Oh, maybe next time.
Maybe
yeah,
next time.
this year.
Yeah.
Thank you. Enjoy. Hi, guys.
Hi.
What is your name?
Oh, I'm Erin.
Aaron?
I'm Gabby.
Gabby?
I'm Julia.
Julia. Hi. Nice to meet you guys. Oh my God, you guys have so much food. Oh my goodness. So what did you get? Onigiri,
Yeah,
the
we got
rice
some
balls.
onigiri.
Yeah,
We got
it's so
some
cute.
baos.
And it's a bao.
We got takoyaki.
Yeah,
too.
takoyaki.
Yeah, takoyaki and then okonomiyaki. Have you tried the takoyaki before?
I've tried takoyaki, yeah.
Oh, you tried the takoyaki before?
Takoyaki, yeah, I have.
Oh, where did you try takoyaki before?
I've had it a few times at like a few different Japanese restaurants. I love octopus.
In New York City?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, cool. What about the okonomiyaki?
I've never tried it before.
I've had it before.
Oh, you had it before.
I've had it at like an izakaya in
Uh-huh.
Flatiron.
Uh-huh.
So it's pretty good. I really like it.
It was really
Yeah.
good. Have you tried anything yet today?
No, not today. Yeah.
Not today.
Yeah.
Have you tried the Japanese rice bowl before?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi. How you doing? What is your name?
My name's Joey.
Joey.
Amy?
Amy.
Yeah.
Emmett.
Oliver.
Oliver.
Yeah.
Oliver. Hi guys. Hi. How you doing? Are you enjoying Japan Fest?
Yes, it's great. We're so happy about it.
Cool. So what are you having today?
So far, we've had the takoyaki.
Takoyaki. Have you had a takoyaki before?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, where did you have a takoyaki before?
We've been to Ippudo.
Ippudo has takoyaki.
Yes.
It's a ramen shop, right?
Yeah, they have amazing taco. Yeah, they have amazing.
And Naruto ramen too.
Really? What do you think of this takoyaki today?
It's really good. It's really fresh, and the ingredients are on point. The mayo is good. It's just perfect.
Good. How do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good. Have you tried takoyaki before?
No.
No? First time? It's good, right? Are you gonna have takoyaki? No? No for you?
Not yet. No got to it.
No? Okay. Good. Have fun today. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hi, girls. Oh my God. Oh, you went to Pilates or yoga?
Yoga.
Yoga, baby. Yoga. Okay, so what is your name?
I'm Rachel.
Rachel.
I'm Jenna.
Jana.
I'm Anna.
Anna.
Yes.
Hi. Are you guys going to NYU?
No.
Okay, no.
We graduated college.
Okay, cool. So what are you having today?
We are having
Vegetable Japanese pancakes.
Vegetable Japanese pancake called okonomiyaki.
Yeah.
Yes. Okonomiyaki. So how do you like it though?
I love it. I'm a big vegetable girl. So like fried vegetables and a little egg and some sauce is my jam. I love it.
What do you think?
I think it's great. I think it has a tanginess when you first bite it, and then like almost like an umami flavor.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's delicious, and the crunch too of the veggies, great.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you think?
I agree. I also love it. I think it's the perfect balance of everything. It's super delicious. Yeah.
Hi, nice to meet you. What is your name?
Nicole is my name.
Nicole. Wow, Nicole, so you're having a Japanese pancake,
Yes.
right? I suppose.
Yes.
How do you like it?
It's very good. It's actually vegetable pancake. So if you're vegetarian, vegan, this is perfect.
So have you tried anything else today?
The lines are long, so I sent my two friends online, so we're waiting, and I'm willing to try everything. This is very exciting.
Is this the first time for you to come
My
to
very
the
first time
Japanese
coming
street
here.
fair?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I love it.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello there. Hi. Nice to meet you. What is your name? Laura.
Clarkson.
So what are you having today?
We're having tasty okonomiyaki.
Tasty okonomiyaki. How do you like it?
Delicious.
It's delicious. It's really good. So have you tried okonomiyaki before?
We had okonomiyaki in Japan in a town called Hakuba. But it's some very authentic Japanese restaurants there, and we had some great okonomiyaki with our family, our children.
Wow, great. So did you go to Japan for vacation?
That was a vacation trip. Yeah.
That was a vacation.
We
but-
went to ski and then we spent some time in Tokyo. Our kids had never been, so they wanted to do both. It was really amazing.
Great. So have you tried anything else today?
This is our first dish
Nope, we
today.
just got it. It's a beautiful day, so
Yeah.
you can see the
Everybody else
lines are
had the
long.
same idea.
Great. So enjoy your day. Thank you very much. Thank you.もう全然進まれへん。めっちゃすごい人。Hi guys.
Jello shots is called Raisin Flavors. We have seasonal drinks every time. It's 5% alcohol, and it's like $5 a shot, $6 for $25 for 6 shots.
Cool.
Best Jello shots in New York City.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.